good, YouTube? Drugs Unless You back. We did it again. I finally got my thing I was waiting for a minute. Well, I was gonna get it anyways, but I got it for a good steal, so I'm getting it early. But this mod is really gonna change the car though. It's gonna give it a crazy sound. And one thing about it, I've been trying to get this brand specifically. I see they have like different ones, or you can get it off Alibaba, but I wanted to see if it's really worth it. And I'm going for a certain sound. Like some of them I've seen that's on Alibaba, it's not making the same sound as this one, but y'all gonna see in a little bit. I'm gonna give y'all a POV drive on the way. Right now 7 minutes away. I can't wait to pick up this park. I literally been talking about it from the day I got the car. Like when I was buying the car, I already had like everything in mind of what I wanted to get. And I was gonna buy it around Black Friday, and I was like, I'm gonna just wait. And I'm getting it for a better price than it was on Black Friday. So what I'm gonna do when I pick it up, I'm gonna show ya, and I'm gonna try to get it installed in the morning, first thing in the morning.
What's up?
Got the package secured, RK26. About to go on in the morning. Yeah, intake install going down. Just got to the shop. That's how it's looking. Gotta clean this up. Oh yeah, I bought it used yesterday. I got it for $530. Got it for a good steal. Intake's about to go in right now. Just cleaned them off. Got the left side fitted right now. Both sides finally on. It's looking crazy.
I'm getting too excited.
Nighttime. Since I'm outside, I'm about to give y'all a little preview of how it's sounding at nighttime. And there's a little bit less wind outside, so I can really hear it. Nah, this thing sounds so crazy. This thing changed the car so much. It doesn't even sound like the same car no more. has to be like really like a top mod. I recommend this to anybody that's trying to get these intakes. What make it better is that I got a steel on it for real, so maybe lightly used, everything is clean. You can even hear it spool up. One thing I see though, so in order for it to be real loud, well, obviously you gotta be in Sport Plus. I have it in Sport Plus. Right, it's the loudest. I still hear it in Efficient. Oh, it's a tunnel, so you know what that means. Hold on. It's a little bumpy under here. That's crazy. But when I have it in Efficient, you still hear it, but it's a little bit low. But yeah, I'll just give you a little preview.